Turkish get-ups. So this exercise really breaks down into 3 different movements. We've got your quarter Turkish get-up, your half Turkish get-up, and your full Turkish get-up. So we're going to go over each one and then combine it together. So for a Turkish get-up, you can use a kettlebell or a dumbbell, right? Originally, they were supposed to use a dumbbell. The problem is with the dumbbell, we have to keep our wrists straight. If you're going to punch someone in the face or you're going to punch anyone at all, you want to make sure your wrists are straight. If you have the curl, you're going to break your wrist, right? Same goes with holding anything over you. You want to have your wrist straight, not facing out to the side. You're going to have your all 3 joints locked out, right? Your wrist, your elbow, and your shoulder locked out. We're going to start with the quarter Turkish get-up. So all it is a core exercise of stabilizing some weight over your head. You're going to have, if I have my weight on my right arm, my right leg is going to be bent, my left leg's going to be out, my left arm's going to be out. I'm going to crunch up and put weight into my outside arm, meaning my left arm. Right? I'm on my elbow, I'm up. This is a quarter Turkish get-up. Back down, back down. So from here, we're now going to go into our half. So I'm going to do the same movement into a quarter. Then I'm going to push my hips up into the sky and get my leg across. So I'm going to try to go into a crunch, push away, right? I'm overhead. I'm going to have my hips up, so on my weight is my left hand, on my right leg. My left leg's going to go underneath me, right underneath the line of me. Trying to rise up, and that's your quarter, right? So then we go back the same way we came down, and left hand down, left leg across, hips down, elbow, and slowly crunch down. So that was my quarter. And now for the full, the only thing that changes is I got to get up from my lunge position, right? So let's go back to it again. Crunch, lift, hips up, leg across. From here, I'm going to get up. I'm going to get all the way up, legs together, knee down, elbow down, always keeping my elbow locked out. Leg forward, hips are up, hips are now down, elbows now down, and all the way down. And that's a full Turkish get-up. One thing you want to prioritize is whenever you're getting all the way up, you got to make sure you're always looking up at your weight, number 1. And number 2 is your hand needs to stay over your head the whole time. The minute that your hand goes up and it goes forward, you're going to have to bend your elbow. You don't want to do that because the weight's going to come down on you, right? So you're going to keep it overhead and trying to find that center of gravity, center of balance at the top, right? It's hardest at the topmost position because most people that have tight shoulders, they want to have their elbows go forward. You want to keep that elbow over your ear. Get up and then back down. Back down, leg forward, hips down, elbow, elbow. That's your Turkish get-up.